We'll guide you through how to restore junk mail in Outlook. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because important emails are sometimes mistakenly filtered into the junk email folder. They may miss work messages, client updates, verification codes, or personal emails. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log in to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure the email address is entered correctly to avoid any access issues. After entering your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process. Once you have successfully signed in and your mailbox is visible, go to the Mail section to view your folders and messages. In the left sidebar, locate and click the Junk Email folder to open it. This folder contains messages that Outlook has filtered as unwanted or suspicious. Browse through the list and locate the email you want to restore, making sure you carefully select the correct message before proceeding. After selecting the email, click the three dots icon in the top menu to open more options for the selected email. A drop-down list will appear showing several available actions. From this list, select Move to in order to choose a different destination folder for the email. Next, choose Inbox as the destination folder where you want the email to be placed so it returns to your main mailbox. After selecting Inbox, click OK to confirm your selection. The email will automatically be restored to your inbox and removed from the junk email folder. For the second method, remain inside the junk email folder and locate the email you want to restore. Carefully identify the correct message to avoid moving the wrong email. Once you have found it, right-click on the email message to open the context menu with additional actions. From the available options in the menu, select Move to begin transferring the email. A list of folders will appear on your screen. Select Inbox as the destination folder to return the email to your main mailbox. After choosing Inbox, click OK to confirm the action and complete the process. The email will automatically be restored to your inbox and will no longer appear in the junk email folder.